Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create spreadsheet in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and first of all, we need to open up this menu, the sheets menu. Okay, and here you can input your data to the sheet. Okay, just like in the Google Sheets and also Microsoft Excel, here you can create a formula. Insert a formula. Wait, I'm going to try it. Okay, and these are the functions we can use. Wait, let me show you all functions here. Okay, we'll have a lot of functions we can use to create formula. Okay, and wait, let me input my data. Okay, you can use the cell to create table like this, and we'll be able to insert graphic as well, but wait. Okay, let me just type random data. Alright, and then if you want to create like chart or graphic, you can go to the magic chart and let me choose the range, and it will create something like this. That's so cool, right? And you can customize the chart. Wait, let me choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add this chart to my data. Okay, and you can edit the color, also the label. Go to customize if you want to customize it. And here guys, we'll be able to choose template from Canva as well. Okay, these are the template. For example, if you want to create tracker or maybe calendar, just go to the template. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create spreadsheet in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.